Hi, welcome to our channel. And today we came to the LRK. It's popularly known as LRK. Actual meaning is a Little Run of Kutch. It also known as the Indian Wild Ass Sanctuary. It's basically situated into the Kutch, but it's our multiple entries. So we are taking entry from the Surendranagar. The range is the Bajana range. LRK is around 80 kilometers away from the Ahmedabad. You can come here by plane. If you are coming, then you have to come at the Ahmedabad airport, and by train also the Ahmedabad, and a nearby railway station is a Viramgam. And by road there was a multiple routes you can come here. Here there was a many resorts are presented near the Bajana or the entry point of the Little Run of Kutch. There you can book your safari. They most of the time book a once safari with your stay. If they are nice day, and best time I can say to visit the LRK is started in 15 October, and you can come up to the March end. But best time will be a January, December and January, where you can find lots of birds and many mammals inside the Little Run of Kutch. When we think is a run, is not the like a Thar desert, is a deserted area where you find the till you can see you find the land, but is ever nothing, nothing is there. It's a deserted basically. That's why it's known as a Little Run of Kutch. This was a part of the Kutch, so this is a Little Run, and same way you can do birding for the Great Run of Kutch is a GRK. We have started at the 4 from my home. We reach around 6 o'clock here, and we are expecting a few species. Let's see what we find in today's safari. We obtained the necessary permit to enter the Wild Ass Sanctuary in the Little Run of Kutch. The forest office and the entry point to the run are a bit far from each other, but the journey was worth it. During our visit, we had the fortunate of spotting the Sykes Nightjar twice, though we managed to click a photo only once. As we entered the vast expanse of the run, we sighted a Shikra, an elusive Eurasian Sparrowhawk. On our way to Vachraj, we stopped at an island known locally as a bait to search the elusive MacQueen Bustard. In the monsoon, this elevated area become a true island surrounded by water, hence the name. While there, we encountered a pair of Pallid Harriers. The male was actively stretching its wing in preparation for a flight. While lazy female seems content preening and resting. We did see the MacQueen Bustard, but could not spend much time photographing it. Vachraj Bait is particularly notable for housing the Vachraj temple. While searching for the Pallid Scoopao near the temple, we focus on the toothbrush tree. Its scientific name is Salvadora persica, which were fruiting and teeming with the birds' activity. We observe white-eared bulbuls, Sykes warbler,
Yeah.
Lesser white throat. House sparrow. Our efforts were rewarded when we finally spotted the pallid scoop owl resting in the shades of the tree. At the same time, when we are searching for the pallid scoop owl, above us a greater spotted eagle soaring in the sky only to be mobbed by persistent house crow and once by common crested. In front of the temple, we saw greater soto lark, a common cheap chef, even some wild boar behind the temple. A male desert whittier was also busy foraging nearby.
Sanjay?
On our return journey, we decide to search for MacQueen Bustard again, but instead come across a herd of wild asses, including a mother with her baby. This majestic species gave the sanctuary its name, and it was delight to see them in their natural habitat. We encountered a short-eared owl, which was soon mobbed by a black drongo. We spotted a long-billed pipit with something in its bill. Initially, we thought it was an insect, but upon close observation, we realized it is a leaf of annual sea blights, locally is known as a moran. This plant is rich in a salt and water, and we speculated that the bird might be using it for hydration or some other purpose. We have ended our Little Run of Kutch LRK trip. We have an amazing morning session. We have not did the evening session. We have seen few amazing movement there. You already seen that movement. As it is a wild ass sanctuary, we have seen the wild ass with its baby. So all over we have enjoyed the our day. Our guide number we give you in the description. If you want to see, you can see it. Also, the checklist of today you can find in the description. Along with that, on our website birdsofgujarat.co.in, there are few particularly photographic birds which are seen in LRK scene. So that also I provide you in a description. So this is all about the today's trip. If you like my video, give thumbs up, and for more updates, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.